Good morning. So, it's now a new day. We're going to a birthday party. I can't cycle today because, as I said, my tire is broken. And this is the garden. It's really, really big. For Holland, it's not that big. I mean, they have small and big gardens, but the sun is shining and it's I really enjoyed my stay so far. So and now we're going to the party. These are the beaches in Holland at the moment. Yep, there's not that much to do here at the moment, but there's rain coming, so we have to continue going home. So, the bike is made, the bike is fixed, and now we're heading to the birthday party before we take the bike home. Oh, this is making. Whoa! Oh! I'm in that attraction right now. That's how it feels. I'm in a roller coaster. Whoa! It looks like I'm going slow, but I'm actually going really fast. Oh! I stopped. Oh my god. That was really weird. Okay, so I'm still in the party. And I am leaving soon. But yes, I'm ready. I'll see you all tomorrow. Well, actually, tomorrow I will start a new vlog. So that means Sunday. My next Sunday. I actually don't know when I recorded this. Then I will upload a new vlog. So see you then. Okay, here we go again. Whoa! It's really hard with one hand. I was going faster just a second ago. This is hard. Oh my god! Help! Okay. Oh, I'm so dizzy.
A few moments later.
And here we have it again. I really can't sleep. It's now 2:50 a.m. But you always have to keep trying, so I'm just gonna close my eyes again and wish me luck.
Later.
And it's now 2:51 and it just turned insane out of nowhere. And there's also a lot of thunder. I don't really know what to say. Very, very sleepy. But I thought I have to record this just to let you know how the weather in Holland is like right now. Oh, this is really, really annoying. Like, I have recently seen those videos on YouTube where, oh my god, this is turning bad. Not again. It's not even winter. Okay, but I have seen these videos on YouTube where you see like all those teen girls and they're basically just sleeping with like rainy music on or something like that. I don't know where it came from, but probably somebody did it and now everybody does it to make them sleep better. It doesn't work for me. It really doesn't. So, 2:53. Let's try to sleep. And here in Holland, the rain is really independent. It's now 2:56, and as you can see, the rain stopped. So yeah, I'm quickly going to try to sleep. Thank you all for watching this vlog, and see you in the next vlog. For me that will be tomorrow, when I will be cycling to my parents. The bike is functioning again. It's back in service. So good night.
Later.
Really? So, are you ready for the time lapse? Good morning, guys. We're going to my grandparents right now again, because my mom is going to work. So, see you by my grandparents. I hope you enjoy the time lapse. I will maybe cut out some parts because it will take too long, but for the rest, see you after the time lapse. So, I made it! I'm here! Okay, let's just go inside and I will see you all later. Woo! That took a little while. Let's go! See you later. So, hey guys. Good morning again. I hope you liked my time lapse, but we're now in the city and we're just going to eat a little, and after that we're going to find a story, and after that, I don't know, we're going to get an ice cream or something like that. So, I will see you all after the food. We are still in the city, and the movie was great. There were some fun parts in it. I really enjoyed it, but now we're just going to the McDonald's, getting a little ice cream, and then we're going back home. I still have a lot of editing to do on the vlogs, so yeah, I will see you all later. I think this is how Holland looks in the city. Our city, actually, like every city is different. You don't just have a bunch of malls here, but that's it. So McDonald's is down there. I think you can already see it. So see you all later when I'm back home. Hey guys, good morning. It's Thursday right now, and I'm just going to eat a quick breakfast. And after that, we're going to a midget golf. I hope it's gonna be fun. I'll see you all there. One. No!
Oh, almost.
And it's going all the way back. Okay, second try.
Better.
So, thank you all for watching my first weekly vlog. It's now Sunday actually, pretty late. But I noticed I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. So, thank you all for watching and see you all on the next Sunday, I guess.